In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run Google display ads. A lot of people have been asking me questions, Mr. Ayo, why don't you make a Google course for those who don't have a laptop or for those who don't have their computer with them? Now, that is why I was able to make this video for one of my clients, and I think you are going to benefit from it. So that is why I'm making this video for you guys right now. So however you feel about this video or whatever question you have, kindly drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Should in case you need help with Google Ads, payment method, or you're having problem with the targeting or anywhere, Google Ads, YouTube Ads, Facebook Ads, just chat me on WhatsApp using this number and we can be able to solve your problem immediately, probably on live call or chat. So let's get straight into it without further ado. Subscribe and like that video, like this video. So when you get to this page, what you need to do right now is you are going to click on new campaign. Okay, now you can either click on this one or you can click on this plus icon here. Do you understand? Anyone you can click on, so you are going to click on any one of them. So I'm going to click on new campaign right now, or you can click on that plus one there. So I'm going to click on new campaign. We're going to be creating that display ads, right, where you want to be getting website traffic to your other landing page. Do you understand? So this kind of ad is the ads that's going to be popping up on AudioMark, you know, all apps that you can ever download on Google Play Store. Do you understand? So, or websites that you want to target, this kind of ads is going to be popping up everywhere. So the next thing you are going to be doing right now is you're going to be clicking on awareness and consideration. Now, one trick is you can always zoom if you don't see something well. So this one, I can see it well. So I'm just going to click on this awareness and consideration. And once you click on awareness and consideration, you are going to see this first one here that says display ad. Now let's zoom it. Let's see what they write under it. That is the description. What does display ad mean? You're going to see something like reach customers across 3 million sites and apps and engaging creative. So you want to click on display, and once you click on display, then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to see something like this is a web page. People will go after clicking your ad, so you need a landing page or a website that you need to input into this place. So I'm just going to use one of my free landing page I created right here. Okay, let's say this is the link I want to use. Okay, and let me shrink it back. Always remember that you can always pinch your screen. Do you understand? So as you are creating this ads, make sure you don't leave the screen the moment you leave this application, because we are trying to use a phone, right? Do you understand? And most of these videos have been requested by people who don't have a laptop but they still want to create Google ads. They are using a big phone, right? But you understand, they still want to create Google ads. So that's why I'm trying to do this tutorial for them. So you know, we are using a phone, we are not using a laptop, so we have to be very, very careful. So you can see we've input the link. So I'm just going to shrink it back, and you're going to see in this place continue, right? I'm just going to click on continue. And once I click on continue, you're going to see campaign name campaign. So I'll just leave it like that. This is the campaign name here. Do you understand? So let me just leave it like that. You can decide to change it. Well, let me click on continue. So here is the next page. Now you are going to be seeing on the screen right now, you're going to see something like campaign settings. Now below the campaign settings, you're going to be seeing something like locations. Now this is telling you to choose the location you want to be targeting for your ads. So for this one, we're going to be clicking on Nigeria. Do you understand? Now if you want to type more location, you can just click on, let's zoom it right here. You can click on enter location and you enter maybe Lagos, Abuja, states you want to target. So let me just leave it in Nigeria, and you can see it's automatically in English. So whatever language you want to type in, just type it here. So moreover, we speak English, so just leave it like that. So you're going to see something here, more settings. Let's click on it and let's shrink the screen back. Let's see what is here. You're going to see something like ad rotation. Okay, schedule all the devices, show on all devices, dynamic ads, start and end date, conversions, content exclusion. So what I want you to do for me right now, listen to me very carefully. You know, we want to be creating this display ads that is able to target mobile phones, right? We don't want it to show on computer. Do you understand? So what we are going to do right now is we are going to navigate to this device section. Do you understand? So let's click on show on all devices and click on set specific targeting set specific targeting for devices. So let's click on it and let's tick off computer. Do you understand? This is computer here. Let's zoom it. So tick off the computer, tick off tablet, and leave only mobile phones. Do you understand? Leave only mobile phones. So if that is done, then the next thing you want to do, just click on these devices again, this topic here. So what you want to do right now is you want to click on next, right? So let's click on next. Then you're going to see something like budget and bidding, which is the next page. Do you understand? Always remember, you can navigate through the screen by moving it left to right or pinching it and zooming it. Do you understand? So you can see something like budget. So let's just zoom the screen right now, and you can see my own is in dollar. So your own might be in naira or in any currency you want. Just follow my stuff. Let's say, for instance, your own is in naira, right? You're in Nigeria. You can just choose maybe like, okay, you want to spend maybe 20,000 daily or 10,000 daily, depend on your currency. So for my own, I'm just going to say I want to spend maybe $20 every single day. Okay, so on the next line, you're going to see something like bidding. Just leave that alone, which is viewable impressions. Leave that like that. Leave that like that. Okay, I'm just going to input maybe spend over $0.50. Do you understand? So in your own, you can just put in maybe like you want to pay over 1,000 naira. Do you understand? For 1,000 impression. Then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to click on next. Remember, if your own is in naira, you can put 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira per 1,000 impression. Do you understand? Depends on you. So I'm just going to click on next. Okay, see the next screen. So you can always zoom in to see what is actually on the screen. You're going to see something like optimized targeting is set up for you. Optimized targeting helps you get more viewable impressions by using information such as your landing page and assets. You can opt out or speed up optimization by adding targeting first. Do you understand? So if you want to use this optimized targeting, if you have a landing page that has more information about your product, you can leave it like that, or you can click on this add targeting. And once you click on this add targeting, you're going to see something like audience segment, suggest who should see your ads. Do you understand? You're going to see demographics, suggest people based on age, gender, whatever, keywords, topics, placement, and so much more like that. So what we want to do right now is let's click on keyword. Okay, so this keyword targeting, we are going to be giving keywords that is only related to the type of product or to the type of things we are trying to promote using display ads that we want to show on different kind of apps and websites. Do you like suggest terms related to your product or services to target relevant websites and apps? Do you understand? Okay, so what I want to do right now, for my own keyword, let me just say I want to target, I'm going to input Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads. Then I'm going to press the enter button. Do you understand? I'm going to type in Instagram ads. Okay, I'm going to press enter button again. Then I could just put in, Google ads. Okay, everything ads. So let's see how much impression this thing is giving us. Just scroll to the right here, and you're going to see here that, okay, fine, the targeting is giving us 6 million possible impressions. That is the audience we just selected. And for this one, which is based on your targeting settings, daily budget of $20 and bid of $0.50, you're going to see that average CPM ranges from 0.15 USD to 0.50 USD, and this is going to get over 220,000 to 1.1 million impressions. What we just want to do right here, you're going to see something like keyword settings. So tick on this one which says content only show ads on web page, apps, and videos related to these keywords. You're going to click on next, right? So once you click on next, you're going to get to the next page. Now this page is telling you if you want to create your ads. You're going to see something like ad creation. Okay, see right now we have the final URL. which is going to be your landing page or website link, right? Then you are going to see the business name. I've been able to input my business name, which is iOS Marketing. You type it here, and once you type it here, you move to the image section. Now on this image section, do you understand, I'm going to click on images. Now you want to upload images. Read the instructions. They are telling you at least one landscape image is required, at least one square image is required, so you need 2 images. So I'm just going to click on images, and you're going to see this place, a place where we can decide to upload an image. So let me zoom the screen. You're going to see right here. So I'm just going to move to the right and click on upload. Do you understand? So once I click on upload, I'm going to click on upload from computer and just allow this stuff. Do you understand? I'm going to click on media, and I'm going to just select any image here. Do you understand? Let me just select anyone here. I'm going to click on one, and I'm gonna click on 2. Do you understand? Make sure you just upload one image that is horizontal and one that is square. Do you understand? So let me just click on this. Do you understand? Yeah, let me just add anyone, and once you do that, then the next thing you do is so you're going to click on save. Okay, so once you click on save, I've added 2 images right now, and you're going to see it here. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do, you want to zoom the screen, and you want to click on logos. Okay, so you're going to click on logos and select a logo for your ad. Do you understand? So what you just want to do is click on upload. Once you click on upload, shrink the screen and click on upload from computer. Click on media picker, and let me just select one picture I can use for logo here. So let me just select this one. Maybe I want to use this for my logo. Let me just click on add, and once I click on add, then I'm just going to click on save. You are going to see below this we have videos, right? We don't want to use any video. I'm not using any video. Do you understand? So let's go to the headlines, which is here. Okay, you can see the headlines. Now the headlines, you're going to see this box. You are going to input something that is related to the products that you are product or whatever you are advertising. You can see my own first headline is AY Google Ads solution. You're going to see the second one, join the best ads academy, and the second one, get massive sales and customers. Then the headline, long headline, you can see this. I actually input this inside the box. I will solve all problems you have concerning social media advertising. Do you understand? Then in the description, you are going to see that I actually input in this description. You're going to see it. You just need one description. You're going to see I input Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram ads solution. Make sure you don't use capital letter or true whenever you are filling anything here. Do you understand? So once you have done this description, the next thing you are going to be clicking on is going down. You're going to see more options here. Click on more options and click on call to action text. So once you do this, then the next thing is you're going to click on, you see this call to action text, this box. Do you understand? Click on it and select a call to action. You can either choose learn more, install, download, book now, apply now, whatever. So for me, I'm just going to click on contact us. Do you understand? So once I do this, then the next thing I'm going to do is shrink this stuff. Do you understand? Once you do that, then the next thing, just click on create ad. Once you click on create ad, shrink the screen. Do you understand? And your ad is actually created, right? This is the ad. So the next thing I'm going to click on is next. So once I click on next, then this is actually going to check if everything I've done since morning, do you understand, is actually correct. If everything I've created all through is good without any error. So you can see everything is good. And the next thing I want to click on is publish campaign. You can see it here. So the moment you click on publish campaign, your campaign is going to be published and ready to be served.